morning, beautiful morning, 28 degrees. We're going out from Eastbourne today. I'm with Ray Marine in his fine boat. We have a drone. We're going out today. We'd like to catch a very big bass. We might catch some cods and pollock. I've got some different lures to try today, pirate lures. We've got to get the boat up, get the camera sorted. We can try and get fishing as soon as possible. Beautiful morning. Soon bit our first wreck. Made a discovery this morning. Drone footage. It's quite short. Due to the fact that noise from hundreds of seagulls that descended upon the drone. It could have been an expensive end to their breakfast. Stunning morning there.
This is the wreck we're gonna hit today, first one, and that yellow track is where we're drifting. So before we get to the wreck we stop and then we just see where we're drifting. So now I'll go round and I'll stop about there and I'll drift over the wreck, and that's how we work out where we're going to go.
Right, just preparing ourselves for the first drop. I'm going to go down. I've got a lot of new lures to try today. I'm going to go down with a slow jig to start with. Just dropped it down for the first drop. Tide is actually running. I'll put the mic on in a bit. Right, next time I switch this camera on, we'll be into fish. Right, first drift with a slow jig didn't work because the tide's pulling too much. I'm going to go down with this lethal lure and raise into a fish.
No, it's into the wreck, unfortunately.
Dial in on the lures a bit there. Into a fish.
No wreck, unfortunately for me.
You're joking. Jockey. I don't think this is a big fish. It's not a big fish. Came with a 50-gram fish with black minnow. Oh, what is that? Oh, no. Wrasse. Oh, no. Wrasse. I don't like actually lifting them out and putting the snap line. Wrasse.
That's a nice fish.
Well, what have we? Stop fighting.
Just got a heavy one.
Oh, it's a big wrasse. Look at it, you see it? That's a wrasse. It's a good old wrasse. I'll show that to the camera.
Which one's yours?
What do you reckon?
No.
Didn't even look at mine, I just got disgusted by the sight. I'm in. I mean, I think this is a wrasse infested wreck. Oh,
Wrasse.
This is a wrasse, we need to leave the wreck really quickly.
That's gone straight back down. No damage to the lure.
Yes, I'm reckon it's wrasse infestation. Oh, it's a pounding. I'm actually relieved about that. I'm relieved. Pounding with weird things hanging. We've just moved off that wreck because we found wrasse. We're getting wrasse every cast, and wrasse are nice to catch off the shore, but they're not really what you want to be after in a boat. Can get expensive, and they go through the lures. So we moved away from the wrasse to another wreck, which I think is going to be a good shout for a big bass. Ray's already down there. I'm going to put the camera in a new position, and this audio should be better. Stick with a fish lure at the minute. Having said that, I don't know why the slow jig didn't work on the last one. Right, sending down an 80-gram fish back minnow. Did you? Should be fine.
Well, I've got 6 ounces and it's going quite a way out there. So
Maybe I'm using 80 gram and I'm straight down. But I'm not even, I can't feel the bottom. Oh, I did then. Yeah, I'm on the bottom now. I reckon I could get down there with a 50.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, it's only a few 130 foot is. Yeah, I'm down there now with an 80 and I'm almost vertical. I don't understand why they're so jigs off. Well, the GoPro was cracking around then. I hooked into a quite decent bass, which actually fell off at the end. So we're going to give this wreck another drift. Not a lot happening. That bass was half decent size. Might be some big bass around here. That was on an 80 gram fish black minnow. I've got a feeling there's a big bass on this wreck. Big bass. Raised into a good fish. That's probably a big bass. We haven't even hit the wreck yet.
No.
I had another hit. That's a good fish. Oh, I'm in. Oh, I'm off. We're not even on the wreck. Shit. Do you want me to get mine in?
Nah. You might get a fish.
Yeah.
Double look up.
We haven't even bloody got to the wreck. I've had a few hits on this drift.
What's tip to it? Stop to eat a banana.
See, what I should do is be what that is.
So do I.
I think it's got to be a big bass. I'll see in a minute. Oh, yeah, he's got Pollack. It's Pollack.
Is it?
Yeah. Pollack. It would run like that, but it's a good fish. I still haven't seen it, which is a bit. We ain't even on the wreck.
No.
It's got to be a Pollack, but I think it's a very big Pollack. Oh, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Oh shit. We got some big fish on this drift. And I'm in. And I'm in. I'm really intrigued to know what Ray's into here. Because I think it's something special. And what I'm into is not bad. It's weird.
Pouting.
Don't think we've seen the wreck yet, have we? Yeah, we're coming into the wreck now. Oh, big Pollack. Told you it's a Pollack. I think mine's as big as yours. It's a little Pollacky though. Well, he's got a good Pollack there.
There she is.
Knock it on the head, whack it in the box.
And a super reel, my favourite lure. 25 grand. Super reel.
I'm not sure this is a Pollack, but I don't know what it is. Bass. It's a bass. It's not a big bass, but it's a bass.
Excellent.
Oh, it's off again.
No!
Yeah.
You're joking.
No, seriously, it fell off. That was a bass.
I saw it.
Yeah, I saw it quite clearly. Never mind. Well, start as you mean to go on. Not like that one you had just now. That's half pulled, isn't it? I reckon it's a little bass. So it'll probably fall off. It might even be a pouting. You in?
No.
Oh, I think this could be a pout. Yeah. Oh, it's a wrasse. Oh no. Wrasse. I think if people are serious about wrasse fishing, they should use barbless hooks.
Do you want the
Little wrasse. Still on the wreck.
we're just coming up to the other one now.
Right, okay, I'm going to get down quick.
Oh yes.
You in?
Right up to it.
Good drift. Shame I had a wrasse. Side, we've had wrasse, Ray's had the one pollock. I've managed to get a couple of bass to the surface. They've both fallen out when I've reached out for them. No, nothing huge. We're going to make a change of tack, go inside, fish lighter lures. These are the lures I'm really looking forward to trying. They're pirate lures, teasers, fished on a cheb weight, and I think they're going to work brilliantly for the bass inside. We will see. A lot cheaper than fish black minnows. If they're as effective, I'll be very happy. We've come inside. The wreck has done very well for like pollock and bass in the box. We'll give it a go. It's getting really hot now, up in the 80s, very warm day. The plan is we're going to go inside later and try and use some cast lures and that. There we go. It's hot. It feels like a weight. There's a fish there. There's a strange one here. There's a hell of a hit.
Yeah, I saw it.
Hell of a hit. Now it feels like I'm not into anything. It's still there. You know, sometimes you... Pollack. Foul looked, I think. Small pollock. Bit of a disappointment, isn't it? Foul looked pollock. It's in. What is it?
I don't know.
Is it a big pounding?
Big pouty.
I haven't got that 80 gram slow jig. It's my... Oh, I'm in. And I had the camera running to get the hit. Good shout coming here, eh?
That little pollock is engulfed that, look.
Yeah, well this one's...
Absolutely. Look at it.
We can cook it.
Okay.
We'll have to cook it.
Yeah. Yeah, get a couple of nice fillets off.
Yeah.
I'll put that back otherwise.
I don't reckon this is a big one. Good hit though. It's probably a pounding. Oh, it is a pounding. I don't, it's a pounding, it's foul looked. Oh dear. Oh, disaster. Oh my god, it's pounding. It's a big pounding. Andy's love that.
That is a big pouty.
Andy's dream fish, that. Pounding.
The size of that one then.
Oh, you still on it? Another big pounding. We're on another wreck Little wreck, absolutely packed with fish. Counting, mackerel. I've switched to a pirate lure teaser on a 40-gram check. Because I can get it down there. This is a different approach. I'm just trying to get through the mackerel, and I'm getting through the mackerel to get to the pound. But with that many fish down there, you'd like to think there's a few big bass about. Now I'm going to try and catch one. This. My first fish on a pirate lure teaser. I don't think it's a pounding. What's yours? It's a pounding. Oh, I hope mine isn't a pounding. I hope it's not a pounding.
Oh, gutted.
Got a good bend in this rod, but I am fishing a light rod. Oh my god, it's a pounding and it's foul hooked. Oh, I don't believe that. Well, that's gone. It was a foul hooked pounding. Hope you enjoyed that video. There's loads of sun. I got a nice tan on that. Tested out my drone for the first time, and I am going to improve. Fantastic footage. I've just got to watch those seagulls. They want to end it. But yeah, I've got high hopes for that. Yeah, loads of fish that day. We are going to get through to those bass eventually. The bass season started off brilliant and died. Now, I've heard people, these like commercials, they're saying it's one of the worst bass years for years. I think they've moved, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure they'll come back. Using the new lures, the pirate teasers, was a revelation. Now, I'm going to fish against Nigel on his boat, head-to-head. Pirate versus fish smack winnows, and I'm going to try and beat him. That's going to be hard, but those lures are a lot cheaper and they're a lot more wrasse proof, so it's got to be a win-win. The pike fly fishing's pretty much stopped now. It's got a bit too warm, but I have been carp fishing on the fly, and that's a really enjoyable method of catching fish. I'm going to do a few videos, and hopefully I want to catch a 30-pounder on a fly. Fantastic bumping into Mark in the lock. He's got his own YouTube channel, Manic Fishing, which I've watched. He catches some absolute monsters, and I've got tackle envy. I've seen the colour of his rods and the reels he's using, and hopefully one day I'll get to have a closer look at those. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do think about liking, subscribing if you haven't. Any comments, feel free to ask. Also, my local tackle shop, Bodle Angling in Burgess Hill, run by Harry. Absolute cracking bloke. He's got really good stock of bass lures. If you're driving down the M23, worth checking him out. He's hosting an open day. I think it's at the beginning of July. I would have a look on their website. I know he's got some famous celebrities going down there. He's got testing tanks, and he's got a few lure manufacturers who are going to be there. I'm really looking forward to seeing the G-Man lures in the tanks. I'm not too sure if the food is free. I'd like to think it is, but I'm going to be riding over there on my bike. Do think about that. Anyway, cheers.